Bad boys and innocent girls, a dynamic that never gets old. When danger meets purity, sparks fly, and Turkish dramas know how to deliver it best. If you're craving intense romance, gripping plots, and unforgettable chemistry, this list is made just for you. So, let's dive into the top 11 latest bad boy innocent girl Turkish dramas of 2025 with English subtitles. At number 11 we have Esref Rüya, and its English name is Attention Drawing. This drama revolves around Ashraf, a fearless and respected mafia leader played by Kate Ulusoy. Despite his commanding presence, Ashraf is a man haunted by past wounds and lost love. Demet Özdemir plays Nisan, a beautiful young musician who unknowingly enters his world and ignites something long buried in his heart. Though Ashraf still searches for his childhood love Rüya, it's Nisan who awakens him, without knowing she's an informant working against him. This emotional tale shows a man torn between duty and desire, vengeance and vulnerability. Curious if love can bloom amidst betrayal? Watch Attention Drawing and discover the truth. At number 10, it's Karal Kaybeders, and its English name is If the King Loses. The story of this drama revolves around Kenan Barnagar, a powerful, arrogant man whose wife Nadan is slowly losing herself trying to live in his shadow. But when Fadia, a spirited young woman from a humble background, walks into his life, everything changes. The dynamics of power shift, and Kenan finds himself facing the one thing he cannot control, his own emotions. The series explores a deep psychological war between dominance and freedom. Want to know how the king's throne begins to crack? Watch If the King Loses to find out. At number 9, we have Kinboku, and its English name is Life Debt. This drama is about Mehmet, a successful lawyer trying to reconnect with his estranged daughter, Dua, after his mother's death. But past secrets and unresolved pain surface when Jalal's long-hidden affair is exposed, shaking the family's fragile peace. While Mehmet is fighting to restore his bond with Dua, his wife Nadan tries to hold the crumbling home together, unaware of the storm ahead. A tale of regret, forgiveness, and the cost of emotional debt. To see if this broken family can ever heal, don't miss Life Debt. At number 8, we have Sahib Sizzla, and its English name is The Abandoned Ones. This drama is based on the story of 6 orphaned siblings, Ajaz, Kamu, Lihan, Fidan, Samet, and Balim, who flee their destroyed home in Mardin after their parents' tragic fate. Their mother Bala and father Arfat once escaped from a controlling man named Javas and started a secret life in the forest. But when Javas finds them years later and burns everything to the ground, the children escape to Istanbul in search of safety and identity. It's a survival story wrapped in sibling love, resilience, and the fight for a future. Will these abandoned souls ever find a place to call home? Watch The Abandoned Ones to see. At number 7 is Baska Bir Gun, and its English name is Another Day. This drama revolves around Hira, a lawyer who takes a step back from her career to raise her kids, until her husband Sardar suddenly disappears. With his vanishing, Hira's entire world begins to unravel. As she struggles to uncover the truth, she is pulled into secrets, lies, and the shadows of her once perfect life. It's a powerful Turkish adaptation of the British series Keeping Faith, mixed with emotional drama and mystery. To uncover where Sardar went and why, don't miss Another Day. At number 6 is Zembili, and its English name is The Mystic. The story of this drama revolves around a mysterious town named Zembili, where 4 childhood friends are bound by secrets from their past. But when a sudden disappearance brings darkness to their peaceful lives, buried truths begin to emerge. Friendships are tested, loyalties questioned, and the line between reality and the supernatural blurs. A gripping tale with mysticism, betrayal, and heartache. Want to unlock the secrets of Zembeli? Watch The Mystic now. At number 5, we have Sakir Pasa LSE, and its English name is Portrait of a Scandalous Family. This drama is based on a real-life Ottoman dynasty torn apart by scandal and rebellion. Set in 1911, the story follows retired Ottoman commander Sakir Pasha, whose peaceful life shatters when his son Sevat returns with an Italian wife. Family tensions rise, forbidden love blossoms, and betrayal shakes the very roots of this once glorious household. From this chaos emerges Turkey's legendary writer, the fisherman of Halikarnassus, and iconic women who changed Istanbul's history. Want to know how scandal creates legends? Watch Portrait of a Scandalous Family. At number 4 is Kardlanlar, and its English name is Snowdrops. This drama is about Hizran and Arif, a couple who raised their 5 children with love and discipline for 50 years. But when their son Wana returns after a long absence, a tragic accident takes his life and leaves his wife in a coma. Hizran, grieving and rejected by her other children, is abandoned in a nursing home. Now, with the family falling apart and poverty closing in, Hizran and Arif must find a way to bring everyone back together. To see if love can hold a broken family together, watch Snowdrops. At number 3, we have Bir Zamanlar Istanbul, and its English name is Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. This drama is about Ali and Seher, 2 university students who meet during a debate and begin questioning the roots of crime in society. As their bond deepens, they find themselves drawn into the heart of Istanbul's criminal underworld, where ideals clash with harsh realities. Ali, brave and street smart. Seher, determined and innocent. Together, they stand against oppression, power, and the cost of truth. Want to see how 2 students take on the mafia? Watch Once Upon a Time in Istanbul. At number 2, we have Sustal Seelen, and its English name is Switchblade Seelen. This drama is based on the life of Seelen, a young woman stuck in an abusive marriage with Najmi Hammam, a man who took away her dreams. But Seelen has hope. She studies secretly, planning to build a life for herself and her son Yusuf. Her only support is her father-in-law, until a man named Farhad enters her life. But everything changes when her son is kidnapped by an organ trafficking mafia, a result of Najmi's own crimes. Now, Seelen must transform into something more than just a mother, a fighter. To see how pain turns into power, watch Switchblade Seelen. And finally, at number 1, we have Pyasa, and its English name is Market. This drama is about Munawwar, a woman who sacrifices her beliefs in a forced marriage to save her family. She enters the world of Turkey's most influential media mogul, Canan Akın, a man battling addiction, demons, and a mother who pulls every string. As Munawwar fights for her identity, she gets caught in a power game where love, betrayal, and survival blur into one. The media empire becomes a battlefield of emotions, ambition, and control. Want to see how one woman shakes an empire? Watch Market and witness the chaos unfold. So, which of these intense stories stole your heart the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because we'll be back with more amazing Turkish dramas just for you.